Sorry guys, I got cut off there. So we figured out that was at most 25 animals. So now I'm looking at letter C. The cost for each animal has increased by $2. What's the maximum weekly expenses during the winter months? Okay, well, we still have that $750 fee. And at first it was a $6 fee per animal, but now it's an $8 fee. So because we added $2. Now, the maximum cost was still $900, so this is kind of worded a little poorly. So it's less than or equal to $900, because we know that. What we're really finding out is how much will it cost for the maximum amount of animals without going over $900. So I'm still solving for A, so I need to subtract $750 on both sides. And I get 8A is less than or equal to $150. Divide both sides by 8, and you get A is less than or equal to 18.75. So this is the most amount of animals you could have at this price without going over 900. However, you can't have a fraction of an animal. So at most, we're going to have 18 animals. And they want to know the cost of if I had 18 animals, what would my weekly expense be? Well, I still have that $750 fee. And it's $8 per animal, so it's 8 times 18. 8 times 18 is 144. So now I would add these together and I would get $894. So that's the most I would spend with 18 animals without going over my $900 limit. All right, I'm looking at number 19. Amy and Jamie are taking a workout class. Amy exercises with her instructor for 2 hours, 3 times a week. She needs at least 42 hours of time in her current class before she can move up to the next level. Jamie exercises 2 times a week, 1.5 hours each time. She needs at least 40 hours of time in her current class before she can move up to the next level. For letter A, they want me to just talk about Amy, how long it'll take her to move up to the next level. So for Amy works out for 2 hours, 3 times a week. So in total, Amy works out for 6 hours a week. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, Amy needs at least 42 hours of time before she moves up to the next level. So she spends 6 hours per week. And she needs at least 42 hours before she moves up to the next level. So it's greater than or equal to 42. And then I solve, I get W is greater than or equal to 7. So she needs at least 7 weeks before she moves up. Now I'm going to look at letter B. Now we want to talk about Jamie. So Jamie works out for 1.5 hours twice a week. So 1.5 times 2 is 3 hours per week. And she needs at least 40 hours before she can move up to the next level. So it's 3 hours per week. And she needs at least 40 hours. I would divide both sides by 3. And I will get W is greater than or equal to 13.3. So she would need a little over 13 weeks before she could move up, and you could even round it to about 14 weeks. Okay, I'm sorry I got cut off there. I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask us.